Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to customize Telegram themes on your phone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open it, and after that go to settings, scroll down a little bit until you find an option, appearance, click on it, and as you can see here you will find all the themes that you want, the chat themes. There is a lot of them. You can choose like anyone and you can apply it for all chats by clicking on it, and that's it. Also, you can change the chat wallpaper to any wallpaper that you want. They have a big selection of wallpapers that you can use, and you can choose like a wallpaper from your pictures, and also you can choose the main color of your conversations like blue or green or whatever color that you want, and apply this style also to Telegram. And okay, so this option is made now only for premium subscribers, but the chat themes and the chat wallpaper, you can use them without any problem. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.